Alrighty, folks, happy weekend. Good morning. At least to me and Mr. Bones here. Today we've got, that's right, single arm bench press, single leg bridges, um, pull ups, and front planks. And we are going to try and go for 45 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And now we're going to be alternating um, with kettlebell swings. So I got my low flex kettlebell here set to 8 pounds, just because it's been a long time since I've done any sort of conditioning in these home workouts. Figure start easy. Isn't that right, Mr. Bones? So what I'll probably do is, knock out the single arm bench press and bridges. So it's 4 sets. And then do 4 sets of kettlebell swings, just so I'm not going up and down as much. And then we'll do a set of pull-ups, set of swings, set of planks, set of swings, so on and so forth. So it'll be a little longer of a workout than we have been doing, but it's been adjusted to still be around 20 minutes minus cat attention. All right, so we're gonna start heading down towards the ground. Also, I've just entered my kind of 6 rep phase at the gym, and while it felt good, I can definitely feel some generalized soreness, so that is unpleasant. That's right. All right. What we can actually start with is the single leg bridges, because my glutes are super sore from squats. Whew. All right. That felt difficult. Okay. Oh. If for whatever reason, I feel like I'm not getting the buzzing notifications, which could be a problem. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely not getting the notifications. That's annoying. Yeah, I had to. Hey. Stop looking plastic. Damn it, Bones. This is why I yell at you. Literally, I have like 800 toys down here. Chooses to lick plastic instead. Oh shit. Get upstairs. Stop licking plastic, you shit. Alright. Okay. I did 25 in the first round. That was apparently too many swings. So we're gonna shoot for 20 on the second round. Alright, so if I get it timed correctly, 25 swings is a good number for me in 45 seconds. Using an 8-pound kettlebell. we're gonna just do we'll knock out the pull-ups and the planks with the kettlebell swings, but kind of defeats the purpose if I'm having to stop every couple of reps to see if I should be resting or working and how much longer I should, there was a reason that I was using the Fitbit to kind of buzz when I was ready to move on to the next thing, right? Because again, couldn't feel it buzz. Alright, so I think this is the last set of swings that we'll do before we get to the pull-ups. Alright, so I checked, I was like, oh, you have 20 seconds every 30-second break left. I'm like, did I start kettlebell swings 12 seconds late? Did I go over by 12 seconds? Some mishmash in between, so it is unfortunately frustrating. Alright. Well, since we were only doing one set, managed to get 8 pull-ups today, which is definitely more than I have in the past. Alright, so we get our smidge of rest. All right. So you got one more round. Kettlebell swings. And we'll call it a wrap for the day. All right. Alright, so decent workout. Conditioning didn't feel too bad with the swings. Felt good to get a little out of breath. Frustrating that the watch wasn't doing what the watch was supposed to be doing, but we'll deal. If you did what I did, great. If you did your own thing, great. If you're just starting, looking for ideas, motivation, discipline, we're a community to support you is what we're here to do. Help each other be a little better every day. So, good job today. Keep working hard. We'll see you next time.